You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing on your iPhone. First, check your iPhone's sound settings. Ensure the ring or silent switch on the side is not set to silent. Also, press the volume up button to increase the ringer volume. Next, check WhatsApp's notification settings. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings. Then Notifications, ensure message notifications and call notifications are enabled. Tap on call notifications and make sure ringtone is selected and the sound is not set to none. Also check that repeat alerts is not set to never. Go to your iPhone's main settings, then notifications, scroll to WhatsApp and ensure allow. Notifications is on. Check that sounds and lock screen are enabled. If you have focus modes like Do Not Disturb enabled, WhatsApp calls may be silenced. Swipe down to open Control Center and ensure Do Not Disturb or other focus modes are off. Also, check Silence Unknown Callers in Settings, Phone, and turn it off. Ensure WhatsApp is allowed to use your microphone and speaker. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone and ensure WhatsApp is toggled on. Restart your iPhone. Finally, update WhatsApp and your iOS to the latest versions. If the issue persists, reinstall WhatsApp after backing up your chats. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.